Today's topic is frequency of cleaning. I am Dr. Prerna, Assistant Professor at All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. Welcome back to my lecture series. Today's topic is frequency of cleaning. Topic is covered under BSc Hospitality Studies, class first year, course HS203 Housekeeping Operations 2, Chapter 2 Cleaning Routine of Guest Room. The learning objective for today's session are understand the frequency of cleaning and study spring cleaning. Let's begin with the topic frequency of cleaning. Cleaning tasks may be divided according to the factors that affect the frequency of cleaning, such as frequency of their scheduling, the level of soiling, the type of surface, the amount of traffic, the type of hotel, and the cleaning standard set by the organization. These factors are considered whenever the housekeeping department plan the cleaning schedule as per the frequency. In hotel, the employee already know this frequency well in advance and these frequencies are outlined in the SOPs or handbook or housekeeping manuals. The various tasks as per the frequency or as per the frequency of cleaning are well displayed on the notice board which are mentioned or placed in the floor pantry. Now let's have a look what are the different frequencies of cleaning. Under frequency of cleaning, the first is daily task, weekly task and periodic task. So the frequencies are divided under daily task, weekly task and periodic task. Let's see one by one what are these different frequencies. Daily task. Under daily task, these are the routine operations that we carried out on daily basis. The housekeeping staff do this task on day-to-day basis. Such tasks are regular cleaning or servicing of the guest room. Next task is weekly task. This task, from the term we can understand, are the routine tasks which are carried out on weekly basis. In this task, various functions are carried out on weekly basis, weekly schedule, such as polishing brassware in the room. For example, if a brass article is there or the room number plates are there, any signage boards are there. So polishing of brassware is included in weekly basis task. Scrubbing bathroom tiles that have stubborn stain, pest control in the hotel premises, unhooking translucent day curtain, that is a light curtain that may gather dust over time and send them to for laundering. The curtains are brought down will require a replacement to be hooked on. Scrubbing shower curtain from the bathroom that have stubborn stains, scrubbing balconies and terrace area, vacuuming carpet under heavy furniture, maybe in the lobby and in the guest room, changing paper underliners in the guest closets and drawer, recycling potted plant with those in the nursery, and grouting bathroom tiles. So these are different tasks that are carried out under weekly basis under weekly cleaning task. Next, tasks under frequency of cleaning are periodic tasks. These tasks are carried out on monthly, quarterly, every 3 months, half yearly, or annual basis. Such tasks are shampooing of carpets, washing of walls, cleaning of chandeliers, stripping and polishing of floor. So these tasks are carried out in hotel as per the periodic task, maybe half yearly basis or annual basis. Few tasks are carried out such as shampooing of carpet after every 3 months. Cleaning of chandelier may be carried out half yearly basis. Stripping and polishing of floor, applying new polish can be carried out on annual basis task. So such task where the period is defined as per, maybe it can be carried out on monthly, quarterly or half yearly or annual basis. Such tasks are comes under periodic task under frequency of cleaning. On organization of cleaning. Now, for the housekeeping department, it is very important if we want to carry out the cleaning in an effective manner, the cleaning task should be well organized. So there are different ways of organizing the cleaning task as per the various areas in the hotel premises. The first one is orthodox cleaning, which is also known as conventional cleaning and traditional cleaning. Now, what exactly is orthodox, conventional, and traditional cleaning is? In this cleaning, the guest room attendant complete all the tasks in one guest room, and after completing that one guest room, he will move to the next guest room. So, whatever area or section which is allotted to him, he will do it in a sequence basis, one by one. On an average, a guest room attendant, he will clean 12 to 20 rooms in an 8-hour shift during his 8-hour shift. Next organization of cleaning is block cleaning. Now in block cleaning, the GRA will move from one room to another room and complete the task. Now in block cleaning, the blocking is involved, means blocking of several rooms at the same time, and that is also we can term as an room section. For example, one GRA might make all beds in that particular room section, while another guest room attendant clean the toilet, and the third GRA or guest room attendant will do dusting and clean the entire area and replenishing the supplies. So the entire blocking is done under the room section. Maybe the first floor of the room section is blocked, and they will perform this task under blocking with the room section. Second is team cleaning. Now in team cleaning, one or two people from housekeeping department, they will work together in the same area so that they can do the room cleaning or they can complete the task in minimum time. That helper will also termed as an buddy. So the person who is working with him, the buddy is given to him, and they can clean the area in a quick manner. In this type of organization of cleaning, that is a team cleaning, the guest room, if two GRAs are there, so they can do the room cleaning more than 30 to 35 guest room in a day. So that will help to do task in quick manner. So this is organization of cleaning. Move towards the spring cleaning. Spring cleaning, it's a term which is used for periodic annual clean of a hotel, guest room or other areas. Generally, this type of cleaning is carried out in off-season period. It is not necessarily in the spring season, but traditionally the term or the traditional time for thorough cleaning of the house cleaning was the spring time. That's why the term is there. Now spring cleaning, the instead of spring cleaning, we can interchangeably use the word deep cleaning. In spring cleaning, a complete overhaul of the room and whatever the cleaning that we are doing, it is scheduled during the off season or whenever there is a very low occupancy period of the organization. That time we do the spring cleaning. In spring cleaning, many tasks in which the housekeeping department work in coordination with the maintenance department, because during this spring cleaning time, intensive cleaning tasks are carried out, for which an entire floor of the rooms will have to take off for a sale at a time. So spring cleaning tasks include removal of all guest supplies, soft furnishing and carpet from the rooms, sending this item laundrable items to the laundry department or laundry area, polishing wood furniture, shampooing upholstery and covering them with dust sheet, shampooing carpet, stripping and polishing floor, cleaning accessories such as lamps, lampshades and picture frames, stripping any wall covering such as paints or wallpaper and repainting the wall, washing ceilings and walls, then thorough cleaning of lighting fixtures, air conditioning vents and windows, thorough cleaning of bathroom including walls, floor tiles, fixtures and fittings and shower curtain from the bathroom area, vacuum cleaning of the mattresses, airing the guest room or the area, restocking guest supplies, restoring soft furnishing and carpet. And once the cleaning is done, we will or the housekeeping department will clear the room to the front desk for sale once the thorough cleaning is done of that particular area. So this is a spring cleaning which is generally done during the off season or a very low occupancy period of the hotel. Reference for this topic is mentioned in front of your screen. Thank you for your patience listening. Don't forget to attempt the quiz. The quiz link is mentioned in the description box. Thank you once again.